Starting off simple. In the Coen brothers film The Big Lebowski, what creamy cocktail does the dude famously order throughout the movie? It's option D, White Russian. In the Harry Potter films, what is the signature warm, frothy beverage served to students at the Three Broomsticks in Hogsmeade? And it is option A, Butterbeer. Which cocktail does James Bond famously request shaken, not stirred, throughout the film series? It's option A, Martini. All right, focus up. These count. In the 2004 film Sideways, which wine does Miles famously refuse to drink, causing a real-world drop in its sales? That one was option C, Merlot. In the 1988 romantic drama Cocktail, Tom Cruise plays a young man learning which profession in New York City? You're looking for option D, bartender. In the 2006 film Casino Royale, Bond names his newly invented cocktail after which female character? That one was option D, Vesper Lind. In the 2003 film Lost in Translation, Bill Murray's character films a commercial in Tokyo for which Japanese whiskey brand? The answer here is option D, Suntory. If you know these, you're elite. In the 2009 film The Hangover, what herbal liqueur do the main characters toast with on the Caesar's Palace rooftop before their wild night? You're looking for option C, Jägermeister. In the 1964 James Bond film Goldfinger, what classic Southern cocktail does 007 sip while meeting the title villain at his Kentucky stud farm? And the correct answer is option B, mint julep. In Pulp Fiction, Vincent Vega is shocked at Jack Rabbit Slims when Mia Wallace orders a milkshake costing how much? And the correct answer is option C, $5. How many did you get? Drop your score in the comments and subscribe. We drop quizzes every day.